Hey guys, Joe here at JP Details with the first of a two-part series which is all about Sam's detailing products. In today's video we're going to be looking at Sam's detailing shampoo, snow foam, wheel soap and ceramic boost, whilst using the 2018 Audi R8 V10 Plus as the demonstration vehicle. The R8 is fully ceramic coated with G-Technic Crystal Serum Light and Exo V4 plus ceramic coatings for the wheels and windows, so it goes without saying that the products being used in today's video are completely wax, sealant and ceramic coating safe. The first job is to prepare our products before we start with cleaning, which will be an ideal time to go over the dilution rates for Sam's maintenance wash products. With the snow foam, you want to add approximately 150ml of the product into a 1 litre snow foam bottle for it to produce a nice and thick foam with lots of cleaning power. Add 1 or 2 squirts of the shampoo into your wash bucket for lots of suds and lubricity. Finally, add 1 or 2 squirts of the wheel soap into your wheel bucket, and before commencing with the cleaning, make sure you blast the buckets with your pressure washer to create the suds. We won't be using Sam's iron reactor on the R8 as it has carbon ceramic brakes, and one very important bit of information before we start the review is that you must never use iron fallout product for vehicles with ceramic brakes, quite simply because you could ruin the ceramic rotors. I've just uploaded a video titled How to Clean Wheels with Carbon Ceramic Brakes, so if you want to watch a professional guide on this topic, then you can find a link to that video in this video's description. The R8 has been in storage for the past 4 months due to the owner of the vehicle having a triple garage built at his home, which is now nearing on completion, so a perfect time to refresh the R8 before it enters its new home for the very first time. The R8 isn't overly dirty, just a general amount of dirt, dust and grime on the exterior. The first product to review is Sam's detailing wheel soap. The wheel soap is quite frankly an absolute pleasure to use. I don't believe I've ever used a dedicated wheel soap for alloys before, and when Sam contacted me about doing a review, I was actually quite excited to try out the wheel soap. I was very impressed with the level of suds and the cleaning power, especially how long the product remains on the wheel for to give you the time to get into all the nooks and crannies of the bespoke R8 wheel design. The wheel soap allows you to have a strong shampoo that is dedicated just for your wheel bucket. It generates a huge amount of lather, so you have that extra working time to detail your alloys. It's pH neutral, vanilla scented and suited to all wheel finishes. My verdict is that this really is a perfect wheel soap with lots of suds and cleaning power. I do not have anything bad to say about this product, it's just perfect, and I would certainly recommend the buy. The product comes in at £8.50 for a 500ml bottle, and it gets a big thumbs up from me. Sam's detailing snow foam is safe for all ceramic, wax and sealant based coatings. It's apple scented and safe for use on all exterior surfaces. It actively softens and breaks down road grime, leaving a cleaner finish for your 2-bucket wash method. 1 litre costs £11.50 or a 5 litre keg costs £28. I do believe that I've added a little too much of the product into my lance as the foam is very thick, but even so I found that the dwell time was very good. It clung to the vehicle for quite some time, allowing a thorough softening of the dirt and grime. Granted that this vehicle was not excessively dirty before applying the snow foam, but I confidently imagine that this snow foam has just as much cleaning power as my current favourite, which is Bilthamber Auto Foam. My verdict on the Sam's detailing snow foam is that it is nice to use, it produces a nice foam, and that the cleaning ability is exactly what you would expect from a premium snow foam. I've now got 3 snow foams that I need to put up against each other to test their cleaning abilities, which will be covered in a future video, but I do imagine that all 3 are going to perform very similar. Sam's detailing snow foam gets a big thumbs up from me. Sam's shampoo is a super slick formula that is pH neutral and safe for all waxes, sealants and ceramic coatings. It's bubble scented, water spot free rinse, super slick with no wax or gloss additives, just pure shampoo. 500ml costs £9. The shampoo is very nice to work with. It produces a nice foam whilst cleaning the vehicle, and the important lubricity of the product as you clean each surface is exactly what you would expect from a premium car shampoo. The product smells nice, it performs very well, it is highly sudsy and lubricating for the paintwork to aid in safe washing. I'd say it is competitively priced and definitely worth the buy. I'm honestly struggling to find anything bad to say about these products so far. product of Sam's that I've wanted to try for quite a while is Ceramic Boost, which is going to make the perfect maintenance protection top up for the ceramic coated R8. Ceramic Boost costs £8.50 and is an instant coated protection utilising the latest SiO2 technology. A spray-on wash-off formula that will give 2 to 3 months of instant protection with the most minimal of effort required. Application is simple. Get the vehicle fully washed and rinsed. Apply Ceramic Boost to the bodywork, then after 30 seconds, jet rinse off. With 30 seconds to work with, I decided to do 50% of the R8 at a time. Simply apply Ceramic Boost to the areas and thoroughly jet rinse after the 30 seconds. It really is that simple. Ceramic Boost is a very nice product to work with. It applies easily and jet rinses off easily, and most importantly, it is a super quick way of boosting the protection on your car with minimal effort required. For a vehicle that hasn't been previously ceramic coated, then the difference in water beading and enhanced gloss would be huge. With the R8 already being ceramic coated, the difference wasn't huge, but it still made a nice and noticeable difference. You can use Ceramic Boost on all exterior surfaces including the wheels, paintwork, windows, plastic trim and any chrome trim. Bearing in mind that the R8 has the G-Technic CSL Black treatment applied, Crystal Serum Light and XOV4, I've tried to capture the improved water repellency from Ceramic Boost. If you look closely enough, then you should be able to tell a subtle difference. There's no miracle ceramic coating on the market that beads and sheets water with no deterioration over the following months/years. Ceramic Boost is a perfect product to boost those protection levels with minimal effort to give the vehicle a freshly detailed look and to keep the hydrophobic levels of the coating in check. I've used a few of these SiO2 infused spray-on rinse-off coatings now, and in my experience, Sam's Ceramic Boost stacks up very well against the likes of Geon and Car Pro. I would highly recommend the purchase of Ceramic Boost. The wet work of the R8 is complete, so it was turned around in the courtyard and brought inside the unit for drying and finishing. To minimise contact with the paintwork and thanks to the super slick ceramic coating with the aid of Ceramic Boost, I opted to blow dry the entire exterior. The benefits of blow drying don't stop with reduced direct contact with the paintwork to avoid any potential marring caused by drying towels, but also so you can remove all the trapped water from the gaps and crevices. The R8 was finished off with a light wipe down using G-Technic C2 liquid crystal, the tyres were dressed with Swiss Vax pneu, the interior was given a maintenance valet, the engine bay was wiped down and redressed, and so was under the bonnet. Out of the 4 Sam's products that were featured in today's video, they all get a big thumbs up from me. They're all very easy to use, self-explanatory with good instructions on each bottle. They are very well priced, nicely branded and of a premium nature. I would highly recommend checking out Sam's detailing for your next product order. I get the feeling that Sam has put a lot of time into his product range, and I'm also very impressed with his branding. It's very modern and premium. On his website you can find the full range of Sam's detailing products, and if you head over to the Expert range you will find a selection of 5-litre kegs. In part 2 I'm going to be reviewing a further 5 of Sam's products, and the big question is whether I can find anything bad to say about them. Just for the note, I am not being endorsed by any of the companies that send me products to review. These videos are filled with my own thoughts and opinions based on hands-on experience using the products, mixed in with general information about the products as written by their manufacturers. These are genuine and honest reviews which are full of information to help you to make the right choice when buying your next bundle of car detailing products. In the video description below, you will find links to Sam's detailing website regarding the products that are being reviewed in today's video and a link to the Sam's Detailing YouTube channel. So please head over and show him some support. As always, thank you for watching. Please drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Social media links are in the description box below. I'll hopefully catch you in the next one.